Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the one-time boot menu on Lenovo ThinkPad X1. To do it, first of course shut your laptop down. So let's do that. And then make sure that if you are booting from an external device, make sure it's plugged in. Also, later on, if that device doesn't get recognized in the boot menu, there's a chance that your ThinkPad doesn't support booting from USB 3.0. Then you'll need to just get USB 2.0 for that. Now all you need to do is simply turn your laptop on with the power button, and immediately after releasing it, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard. If Windows starts loading instead, then you'll need to actually shut your laptop down by pressing and holding on the power button for long enough that the light on the power button goes off. Now of course wait for 30 seconds or stuff like that, and after that press on the power key and start repeatedly pressing on F12. Now when it says entering boot menu, you can release the key and wait a moment. And now you're in the one-time boot menu. Feel free to select your boot device, either using the arrows or using the mouse. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.